I'm your host, EV, and welcome to another episode featuring the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're focusing on a technological trailblazer, OpenAI and its remarkable advancements in language modeling. In recent years, OpenAI has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in AI, capturing our imaginations with the capabilities of their GPT models. This episode delves into the journey of these models, exploring their evolution and how they have become integral to various applications. We are venturing into the latest innovation from OpenAI, the GPT-4o model, a new flagship multimodal language model that promises enhanced capabilities. We'll highlight the strides made from its predecessors and the groundbreaking technologies it introduces. Whether this is your first encounter with AI language models or you're well-versed in the field, we're excited to share insights into how these advancements are shaping industries and setting new standards for machine learning. Additionally, we'll discuss GPT-4o Mini, a streamlined version with distinct advantages for specific applications, especially in fields requiring high-speed operations. From accessibility to technical constraints, and even a sneak peek into future developments, this episode is packed with information. Join us as we navigate through OpenAI's transformative journey and explore the innovative solutions redefining AI's role in our daily lives and professional arenas. So, without further ado, let's dive into the heart of today's topic, the evolution and impact of OpenAI's language models. OpenAI has been at the forefront of artificial intelligence research and development, creating language models that have profoundly impacted how we interact with technology. Since the release of the first Generative Pre-trained Transformer (GPT) model, OpenAI's trajectory has been characterized by rapid advancements and increasing capabilities. These models use a transformer neural network architecture, which has become a cornerstone of generative AI technologies. The architecture's strength lies in its ability to handle large-scale data, enabling it to learn and generate sophisticated and coherent outputs. Starting with GPT-1 and progressing to the widely acclaimed GPT-3, OpenAI has improved its model's efficiency and scalability. GPT-3 marked a significant leap in AI, known for handling complex queries and generating human-like text. With an impressive 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 set the stage for even greater sophistication in natural language processing tasks. It became an indispensable tool across various fields, from facilitating customer support to aiding in creative content creation. In this relentless pursuit of innovation, OpenAI introduced GPT-4 in March 2023, enhancing both performance and versatility over GPT-3. The subsequent introduction of GPT-4 Turbo in November 2023 further pushed these boundaries, emphasizing efficiency and speed. Now, as we stand in 2024, OpenAI has unveiled the GPT-4o model. This new flagship model is not merely an iteration, it's a transformation, introducing multimodal capabilities that integrate text, vision, and audio into a singular powerful framework. The O in GPT-4o stands for Omni, a nod to its all-encompassing design. Its development represents OpenAI's commitment to expanding the horizons of AI interaction, providing a model that communicates more intuitively and naturally than ever before. As we proceed through this episode, we will uncover how GPT-4o marks a milestone in AI evolution, promising a future where AI is more integrated and capable in understanding and generating across multiple modalities. GPT-4o offers a comprehensive upgrade over its predecessors by integrating multiple modalities of communication, text, vision, and audio into one unified model. This multimodal integration allows the model to understand and process a combination of textual data, visual stimuli, and audio inputs in a seamless manner. The significance of this lies in its potential to bridge the gap between human and machine communication, enabling AI to participate in more intuitive and human-like interactions. Key features of GPT-4o include real-time interaction capabilities. The model can engage in verbal conversations without noticeable delays, providing responses with an average time of just 320 milliseconds. It boasts advanced sentiment analysis abilities, enabling it to understand and convey different emotional tones across text, audio, and video formats. This makes GPT-4o suitable for applications requiring sensitivity and nuanced communication, such as mental health support and customer service. The model also excels in multimodal reasoning and generation, allowing it to process and respond with any combination of text, image, and audio outputs. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for data analysis tasks, where understanding complex datasets in various formats is necessary. For example, it can analyze data from charts and graphs and provide insights or summaries through text, voice, or visual means, thereby supporting decision-making processes in fields like finance and research. Furthermore, GPT-4o can handle more than 50 languages, offering extensive natural language processing capabilities that extend to real-time translation and multilingual support. It also demonstrates robust capabilities in image and video analysis, allowing it to understand, explain, and provide feedback on visual content uploaded by users. Industries stand to benefit significantly from these capabilities. In education, GPT-4o can support interactive learning through real-time, multimodal explanations. In healthcare, it can assist with patient interactions and record analysis. Moreover, its ability to generate speech with emotional nuances extends its utility into entertainment and interactive storytelling, highlighting its diverse impact on modern technology usage. Alongside the flagship GPT-4o, OpenAI has introduced a scaled-down version, GPT-4o Mini. This variant serves the need for a more accessible, quicker, and cost-effective option without compromising the core functionalities that define the GPT-4o model. Although smaller in size, GPT-4o Mini retains a 128K context window with a maximum token output identical to the full model, making it a powerful tool within a condensed framework. The primary differentiation lies in its operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. GPT-4o Mini is engineered to deliver intelligent responses faster than its larger counterpart, offering a smarter and more affordable solution than the previous GPT-3.5 Turbo model. Its design aligns with use cases that necessitate frequent interactions but do not demand the extensive computational overhead of the full-scale model. Common application areas include high-volume customer support systems, where swift and accurate queries are essential, and automated email responses where it provides concise yet informative content. From a technical standpoint, while OpenAI does not explicitly disclose parameter counts, GPT-4o Mini is optimized to execute complex tasks using fewer resources. It stands out on the Measuring Massive Multitask Language Understanding (MMLU) benchmark, where it surpassed its predecessors, indicating enhanced language understanding capabilities. For developers, GPT-4o Mini is accessible via the Assistance API, Chat Completions API, and Batch API, integrating seamlessly into applications to support comprehensive text and vision models. This version particularly appeals to developers looking to harness advanced AI capabilities without incurring high operational costs. As of its release in July 2024, GPT-4o Mini has replaced GPT-3.5 Turbo as the foundational model in ChatGPT and expanded access through various subscription tiers from ChatGPT Plus to enterprise options, ensuring diverse applicability across organizational needs. The versatility of GPT-4o is evident in its wide availability across various platforms and applications, making it accessible to a broad range of users and industries. OpenAI has ensured that the model is easily integrated into both the free and paid versions of ChatGPT, allowing users to experience its capabilities firsthand. While the free version offers fundamental access, ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscriptions provide unrestricted use of all features, including advanced functionalities such as vision, file uploads, and data analysis. Developers looking for tailored integrations can access GPT-4o through OpenAI's API. This access allows businesses to incorporate GPT-4o into their applications, leveraging its capabilities for tasks such as natural language processing, content generation, and data-driven insights. The pricing for API access is structured to accommodate different scales of use, with flexible options depending on the extent and complexity of the tasks involved. Moreover, OpenAI has partnered with Microsoft to integrate GPT-4o into the Azure OpenAI service. This integration provides enterprises with powerful AI tools capable of handling multimodal inputs, enhancing their capabilities in conducting complex business analyses and improving customer engagement. It stands as a testament to GPT-4o's robustness and utility in a corporate environment. Additionally, OpenAI has developed desktop applications featuring GPT-4o, introducing new tools for platforms like Apple's macOS. These applications expand the reach of GPT-4o, providing accessible AI-enhanced productivity tools for professionals and creatives. For businesses with specific needs, OpenAI offers the option to customize GPT-4o through the creation of custom GPT models, which can then be deployed internally or via the OpenAI GPT store. Accessibility and scaling are core components of GPT-4o's deployment strategy, allowing it to meet the growing demand for intelligent, adaptable AI solutions. This wide-ranging deployment ensures that GPT-4o remains an integral tool in various industries, providing innovative solutions to traditional challenges and paving the way for future advancements in artificial intelligence. Despite its cutting-edge capabilities, GPT-4o, like any advanced technology, is not immune from limitations and technical challenges. One of the primary constraints is its context window. While GPT-4o boasts an impressive 128,000 token context window, it's essential to note that it still falls short for some applications that demand even larger data processing. Competitors like Google's Gemini Pro 1.5 model claim context windows reaching up to 2 million tokens, highlighting the growing demand for larger processing capacities in AI models. Another challenge is the knowledge cutoff inherent in GPT-4o. The model's training data is limited to information available until October 2023, which might pose limitations in scenarios requiring the latest information. This constraint emphasizes the need for continual updates and the integration of current data to maintain relevance and accuracy in responses, particularly in rapidly changing fields such as technology and world events. Eye hallucinations present another inherent risk associated with generative AI models. Despite efforts to minimize inaccuracies, GPT-4o can still occasionally produce incorrect or misleading information. This possibility underlines the importance of implementing robust verification mechanisms and maintaining vigilance when deploying AI in critical decision-making roles. Moreover, bias is a potential issue with GPT-4o, as with any AI model. OpenAI has taken significant strides to limit bias in its models, but the risk remains that responses could reflect skewed or non-diverse perspectives. This calls for continuous improvement in bias detection and mitigation strategies to ensure that outputs are as objective and inclusive as possible. The model's reasoning abilities also have limitations when compared to OpenAI's O1 model family, designed for more sophisticated problem-solving challenges. This aspect limits GPT-4o's effectiveness in complex analytical tasks, calling for parallel development of reasoning-specific models as part of a broader AI strategy. Finally, security presents a crucial challenge, especially with adversarial inputs. These are attempts to manipulate or trick the model into producing incorrect or undesirable outputs. GPT-4o must constantly evolve to counteract vulnerabilities that could be exploited, necessitating ongoing research and updates aimed at bolstering security protocols and safeguarding against misuse. OpenAI's commitment to pioneering advancements doesn't stop with GPT-4o. The company is steering toward a dual-path strategy, with models like Orion poised to set new benchmarks in AI performance. This model, which some say rivals or exceeds GPT-4 in language tasks, focuses not only on conversational prowess but also aims to expand its utility across various domains including healthcare, finance, and education. One of the challenges confronting AI development is the diminishing availability of high-quality human-generated text data, projected to become a significant issue between 2026 and 2032. To counter this, OpenAI is exploring synthetic data generation, transfer learning, and leveraging private datasets to enrich model training, thus maintaining a competitive edge in AI innovation despite data scarcity. Post-training optimization is another strategy gaining attention at OpenAI. This approach seeks to enhance model capabilities after the initial training phase, potentially maximizing functionality without expanding training datasets. OpenAI's research and development teams are intensely focused on this area, aiming for quality improvements that ensure the models remain robust and adaptable in a competitive field. In response to the evolving demands of AI technology, OpenAI has embarked on a dual-track development strategy. The O series, reportedly codenamed Strawberry, is dedicated to enhancing reasoning capabilities, addressing complex problem-solving tasks that require heightened computational intensity. Although these models incur higher operational costs, the potential for advanced analytical capabilities could justify the investment in specific applications. Simultaneously, the Orion series, or GPT series, continues to evolve its focus on language processing and communication tasks. These models maintain efficient computational requirements while leveraging a broader knowledge base for diverse writing and argumentative tasks. OpenAI envisions a convergence of these two pathways, balancing the benefits of powerful reasoning capacities with the wider applicability of general language models. Kevin Weil, OpenAI's CPO, emphasized that both tracks, reasoning-focused and language-centric models, are integral to OpenAI's ongoing development strategy. As we conclude this episode, we've explored the transformative journey of OpenAI's language models, from the powerful advancements in GPT-4o to the promising future directions with emerging models like Orion and the strategic dual-track approach, bridging reasoning and language processing. These innovations signify a monumental chapter in AI development, poised to redefine interaction, problem-solving, and industry practices. As OpenAI continues to push boundaries, the potential applications of these models are limitless, promising more intelligent, versatile solutions across the board. We encourage our listeners to stay engaged with this evolving narrative, as it's apparent that AI will play an increasingly integral role in shaping our world. Until then, keep questioning, stay curious, and always look beyond the headlines to understand the deeper implications of the digital age. If you enjoyed today's discussion and found it valuable, please subscribe to the podcast, leave a review, and share it with your community. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. I'm EV, and this is I Forever, Establishing Smart Living.